I, as a candidate to fill a seat in the Council of States, do swear in the name of God that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, and that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India. I'm first of all very grateful to the people of Meghalaya and also especially to our Honorable Chief Minister, Dr. Conrad all the Deputy Chief Ministers, both of them, Ba Preston and Ba Sngew, all our Honorable Ministers, our MLAs, and also our alliance partners from the UDP, the HSPDP, the BJP and the Independents for having supported my candidature to the Council of States Rajya Sabha. And today I've just finished filing the nominations, and I look forward to being elected and hopefully after the election process is over and I'm elected, the responsibilities of the Member of Parliament Rajya Sabha, if it were to fall on my shoulders, I will look at how many of the issues, both which have been pending for a long time, and also issues which we as a state must collectively look at navigating in the future. These are the issues that I intend to be very vocal about in the upper house in Rajya Sabha, so that the voice of Meghalaya can be heard in the Parliament in Rajya Sabha.
First of all, I would like to congratulate Mr. James Sangma for filing his nomination, and would like to thank all the partners of the MDA for having unanimously and with the consensus supported the candidature of Mr. James Sangma. And today most of the partners, their representatives were present in the nomination filing. Number two, regarding the other candidates, we are not very sure. We will just have to wait for the next few hours and the picture will be clear. So whatever the case may be, we are confident that even if there is a candidature, that the MDA has the necessary strength to ensure that our candidate wins in this Rajya Sabha election.